In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an approver in Docusign. This skill is essential for anyone looking to streamline their digital document workflows, ensuring that all necessary approvals are properly integrated. So, let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. First, you'll want to start by heading over to Docusign. This is where you'll either create a new agreement or continue working on an existing one. Whether you're starting fresh or picking up where you left off, this is your jumping-off point for adding an approver to your document. It's worth noting that making sure you choose the correct document helps avoid any unnecessary mix-ups later on. Once you're in the right spot, click on Continue. This action will move you through to the next stage of the setup process, where you can begin tailoring your document to include the necessary recipients and approvers. Now that you're in the document preparation area, look for the option labeled Add Recipient. Clicking on this will bring up a new window where you can enter the required information of the person you wish to add as an approver. It's important to ensure all the information you input is accurate to prevent delays or potential rejections from your approvers. After you've accurately filled in the details for your approver, go ahead and click on Next. This will advance you to where you can assign specific roles and permissions to different recipients. On this next screen, focus your attention on the left side, where you'll find various fields you can drag and drop onto your document. Locate the field labeled Approve. This is crucial as it designates the role of the user you're adding. Click on it and drag it to the appropriate section of your document where you want the approval to happen. Once you've placed this field in the document, it's time to take a moment to ensure everything is set up correctly. To do this, click on the Approve field you just added. A menu will pop up that allows you to change the recipient for this action. Make sure to switch it to the individual you've listed as the approver earlier in the process. This step is vital because it ensures the document routes to the correct person for approval. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added an approver to your Docusign document. This process enhances your document workflow, ensuring approvals are captured efficiently and effectively. Implementing these best practices will save you time and contribute to a more organized document management system. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more Docusign tips and tricks.